Hey everybody, John Martinez here. Thanks for tuning in. And in today's video, what I'm going to be sharing with you is the second secret of 4 in developing a winning mentality. Now, if you were with me yesterday, you will recall that I was discussing the importance of being or exercising extreme caution with what you accept into your mind. Ultimately, you are responsible. You're the one that's in control of what you allow in and what you don't. So in today's video, I want to discuss with you the importance of getting rid of toxic thoughts if they're already there. So, toxic thoughts are the types of thoughts that are poisonous to our potential. Toxic thoughts really need to be uprooted from our mind. In order to uproot toxic thoughts, we must detach from the thoughts that rob us of progress and purpose. We must get rid of our old way of thinking if you want to live the life that you were really intended. The powerful thing about the mind is that no thought has the power to be planted without your express consent. Remember, you are in ultimate control. So your mind is the product of what you have allowed in. So toxic thoughts make the mind a battlefield. They keep us at war between what is truly possible and what we perceive as possible for our lives. So it's a short video today. I know that's it for right now, but keep in mind that you are in ultimate control of what you allow in and what you don't. So be strong, exercise caution with what you allow in and what you don't. And if it's not serving you and driving you closer to your vision and goals, it has to go. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I will be bringing you secret number 3. Bye for now.